Right, today we've got one of those little sliding cabinet locks, normally on glass cabinets, display cabinets, etc. in shops. You're probably not going to come across a lot, but you never know. Staff do lose keys and they don't want to break the glass. Right. So, without further ado, let's see if we can get the little tart. You'd probably use little jigglers with this, to be honest. There we go. But I'm not one for all the jigglers and bump keys and all that. I like picking. But if it was a job, then all them techniques save a lot of time. Let's see if we can lock it now. Yep. And she's locked. Thank you.